President Biden has, according to recent breaking news from the White House, signed an executive order pertaining to marijuana. I want to point you toward the announcement outdoors. The executive order that President Biden issued providing a simple pardon to anyone charged of federal marijuana possession is currently visible as the president's statement. POTUS, I've previously said it, but no one should go to jail for having or using marijuana. I'm currently taking steps to cease utilizing it. Our stupid plan has allowed me to lay them. I'm collaborating with everyone. He continues in a long statement that is currently being shown live on Fox. Straightforward prior federal offenses. There are many persons who are in possession of marijuana. Someone may be denied the simple possession, housing, employment, or educational prospects that my pardon will bring because they have previously been convicted. Second, my suggestion that governors acceptable state-level marijuana possession. Get rid of this load that is still going on right now. Nobody should break the law only to have access to a federal jail. Nobody ought to be imprisoned because of marijuana, or a state prison in any circumstances. Third, he is grouped with marijuana. That it is more dangerous than fentanyl at levels higher than heroin is ludicrous. There, I'm conversing with the front desk clerk. The process will be started by the Attorney General. If the federal government issued a directive, I would concur with them and say that we still need to examine how marijuana is scheduled under state law before you speak about the apparent racial disparities. Marijuana possession is a possession that disturbed too many lives for the activity that is legal in some jurisdictions. Trafficking, promotion, and sales of marijuana to minors are all subject to stringent regulations. People who market or sell these activities are imprisoned. We automatically start making these mistakes when writing about today's criminal processes and punishment. President Biden and the White House continue to make big announcements about this prevalent issue because they work with us to make decisions. You decided that after hearing him lie. In accordance with federal law, President Joe Biden is pardoning thousands of Americans as his administration takes a huge step toward decriminalizing drugs and addressing the charging practices for people of color more severely. Colorful bides also cover thousands. Anyone who has been charged with simple marijuana possession under federal law may be pardoned by the president by issuing an announcement through an executive order. Anyone who is charged with simple marijuana possession under federal law may be